Want a quick, hydrating detox that's super tasty? Let's make a watermelon detox bowl, no cooking needed. Here's everything you need for this refreshing bowl. Start with juicy watermelon cubes, crisp cucumber, fresh mint, and a splash of lemon juice. Add a pinch of pink salt, fiber-rich chia seeds, coconut flakes, and for a colorful twist, some orange or pomegranate bits. Now, let's put it all together. It's super simple. Start by adding chilled watermelon cubes into your serving bowl. Next, toss in crisp cucumber slices and fresh mint leaves for flavor and freshness. Add a little lemon juice and a pinch of pink salt to enhance the taste. Sprinkle soaked chia seeds and coconut flakes for fiber, texture, and a healthy crunch. Finally, top your bowl with colorful orange or pomegranate seeds, chill, and enjoy your detox treat. This bowl hydrates, detoxifies, boosts metabolism, and gives your skin a natural glow. Refresh, nourish, and feel amazing.